Hi guys, it's Shami. So today I am going to show you how I have organized my alpha stamps. So I got these organizers from the Dollar Tree. They were $1 and it took, I think I had to use, I'm counting right now, 3 of them to organize the whole alphabet. Plus on the last one I just have like a kind of a miscellaneous one for numbers and just other little things. These are just alpha stamps. You can get them at Michael's, usually in their $2 section or their $1 section sometimes. And I love using these in my art journals and on little projects. I actually like mixing them up too, so it doesn't matter to me if if I just use one set. I like to mix up the different alphas to make it interesting when I stamp with them. So I hope you enjoy this video. I wanted to give you just this quick tip in case you have alpha stamps that you want to organize. It's so much easier. I can spell out words and I can find them a lot easier than in my zip little bag that you saw there. So if you have any questions, please post them below and I will see you guys next week. Bye bye. So I forgot to add one more thing. So after I'm done organizing them, I did take the black alpha stickers that you can get at the Dollar Tree and I put an alphabet to correspond with the alphas on the stamps, and that just made it a whole bunch easier. It'll be really easy for them to find. So you'll see there that I'm sticking them down and I'm just going to seal them with just some Elmer's glue so they don't go anywhere. It's been working very, very well. So that's it. I'll let you enjoy the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.